Honda Rebel 300. Best cruiser motorcycles for beginners. So you're a new rider with your eye on a cruiser bike? This is an excellent choice. Cruisers make great first bikes for a number of reasons. We bet you'll love the performance, the lightweight and, yes, the style. Some of the best beginner cruiser bikes have it all. Think sleek urban looks, a rugged vibe and laid-back attitude. Best of all, entry-level cruisers look and feel just as powerful as their larger counterparts. In fact, some of the best beginner cruiser bikes are perfect for growing into. The more you ride, the more you develop your skills. Once that happens, your beginner cruiser might start to feel like a serious road bike, capable of almost anything. If you choose your first entry-level cruiser wisely, chances are you'll be using it for years before you decide to upgrade. Top choice for the best starter cruiser motorcycle. Although the market for entry-level cruiser bikes is huge, we've looked at some classics that are light and mid-range. Then we evaluated the reliability of the bikes. We also looked at the most reputable brands and models. Finally, we considered price as a new rider. You probably don't want to part with $10,000 plus for your new bike. Without further ado, here are our top picks for entry-level cruiser bikes. Honda Rebel 300. Honda Rebel 300 Best Cruiser Motorcycles for Beginners. This timeless classic is easily one of our favorite cruiser motorcycles for beginners. Introduced in 1985, Honda Rebel is responsible for several generations of new cruiser riders. Ask anyone over 35 how they started to ride, and they'll probably mention the Rebel. A cool name aside, Honda Rebel is a trustworthy, easy-to-handle, well-balanced motorcycle. Honda started off with its Rebel 300 model, then introduced the 500 to the lineup. Both are excellent cruiser motorcycles for beginners. The 300 weighs just under 320 pounds wet, and has a lively 234 cubic centimeters engine ready for urban riding or mountain twisties, or both. The low seat makes the bike extremely beginner-friendly, and Honda's long-standing reputation for building sturdy, reliable motorcycles is legendary. In addition, you'll easily find aftermarket parts. This bike has been on the market for years, so sourcing parts of adding a custom touch will be easy as pie. Pros and cons of a Honda Rebel. Pros: lightweight, agile, forgiving for beginner riders, reliable and affordable, classic looks and excellent design. Cons: small displacement engine. Specs: engine, DOHC, liquid-cooled single-cylinder, 4-valve/cell. Displacement, 286 cubic centimeters. Borax stroke, 76.0 by 63.0 millimeters. Compression ratio, 10.7 to 1. Transmission/final drive, 6-speed/chain. Clutch, wet, multiplate, cable actuation. Engine management/ignition, electronic fuel injection with 38 mm throttle bodies. Frame, diamond-type steel. Front suspension, 41 mm telescopic fork, 4.8 inches. Travel. Rear suspension, twin shocks, preload adjustable, 3.8 inches. Travel. Front brake, Nissan hydraulic caliper W/296 mm disc with ABS. Rear brake, Nissan hydraulic caliper W/240 mm disc with ABS. Wheels, front/rear, cast aluminum, 16 by 3.0 inches. /16 by 3.5 inches. Tires, front/rear, Dunlop D404, 130/90-16/150/80-16. Rake/trail, 28.0 degrees per 4.3 inches. Wheelbase, 58.7 inches. Ground clearance, 5.9 inches. Seat height, 27.3 inches. Fuel capacity, 3.0 gallons. 0.6 gallons. Reserve. Wet weight, 372 pounds. Essentials for cruise owners. Now that you have your top 5 picks for the best entry-level cruiser bikes, let's talk about a few key things to keep in mind. Here are a few things to keep in mind as a new bike owner. 1. Take care of your motorcycle. Buying the bike is the first step, but regular maintenance is crucial if you want to keep it in tip-top shape. As a new driver, you may want to trust your dealership and let professionals handle the service. However, if you are mechanically savvy, read our motorcycle maintenance tips for beginners and take care of your bike yourself. 2. Get good equipment. Motorcycling is fun, but it also involves a certain risk. Once you've bought your first motorcycle, it's important to invest in quality, protective motorcycle clothing. Sturdy ankle boots, protective trousers and jacket, gloves and a good helmet are a must to stay safe on the road.